Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to be making vindaloo using my base gravy recipe. I'll add a link to that in the description below and at the end of this video. For this recipe you need 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cassia bark or cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, 10 peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 onion very finely grated, 1 teaspoon of grated or pureed ginger, 1½ teaspoons of grated or pureed garlic, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin powder, up to 4 teaspoons of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 250 millilitres of curry base, half of a tomato sliced into wedges, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, half of a cup of hard boiled potato, 6 to 8 pieces of meat. For the heat levels, use ½ teaspoon of chilli powder for mild, 1 for medium, 2 for hot, 3 for madras heat, or 4 for normal vindaloo heat. Heat the oil, then fry the bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, peppercorns and fennel seeds for a minute. Add the onions and fry until they soften, stirring occasionally. If the onion starts to dry out, add water as required to allow it to cook but not burn. Add the ginger, garlic and salt. Turn down the gas and cook for a few minutes. Add the turmeric, garam masala, coriander, cumin, chilli according to the heat you require, and the tomato puree. If looking dry, add more oil or water to allow to fry for a minute. Add the base gravy, meat, then the tomato, potato and vinegar. Add more water if the sauce is too thick and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the oil rises. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.